Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys Bluetooth setting, and today video title is guys how to connect Bluetooth device with Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to use Tecno mobile Bluetooth setting. So how to use Bluetooth setting and how to connect Bluetooth speaker, earphone and earbuds with Tecno mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone, more connection option setting. Friends, you want to on aeroplane mode, so you can on aeroplane mode. After on aeroplane mode friends, you cannot use your mobile network setting and phone call setting. And you can off, after turn off, you can use mobile network setting and phone call setting. So friends, click here Bluetooth setting on mobile Bluetooth, and friends you have speaker, you have earbuds, earphones, on your earphone speaker and earbuds. After on friends, you can check your speaker name, headphone name, earphone name, earbuds name. Select your device. Friends, I have speaker, I will select. Friends, click here pair option, then you can pair the device with your mobile. Click here pair option, device will connect. And you want to use, so you can use it. So like that friends, you can pair and you can connect Bluetooth headphone, speaker, earphone and earbuds with your Tecno mobile. And friends, you don't want to pair, you don't want to connect, you can forget. Right click here forget option. After forget friends, you cannot use the device again with your Tecno mobile. Again if you click here, so friends you can check pair notification again. Then friends you can use it again. After forget, you cannot use the device again with your Tecno mobile. And friends, you can check your device name, Tecno mobile device name, you can check from here. And friends, you can see could not pair with JBL speaker, so we will cancel. So friends, we will rename here Tecno mobile and rename. Device name will rename. And after off, you cannot use Bluetooth settings. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.